So this bolt on the back of the Helihorns, we're gonna use it, but we need to take it off, and it's super fucking tight on there. So if you guys came across this problem, I'm gonna show you what I just did to break it off. So right under your left headlight, you'll have a random bolt right here. So what I did is I unscrewed it, screwed it back into the bracket, tightened it as hard as I could, and then with this not being able to move, I was able to just break this off. I don't have a vice grip or anything, and it's too hard to do it by hand, and I didn't want to step on it to put pressure, so I just tightened it in right there, as you can see, right under the headlight. Tightened that thing down and broke that loose, and look at it now. Heck yeah, boy. Improvise.